Hello, welcome to Extend Office. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to password protect your Excel files effectively. This article, we will talk about password protect an Excel file. Password protect multiple Excel files. Password protect an Excel file from opening. To prevent others from accessing data in your Excel file, you can set a password to protect the Excel file. Click File, Info, and then click Protect Workbook button. Select Encrypt with Password in the drop-down list. Enter a password in the password box. Click OK. Retype the password again, and click OK. Now close and save the file. From now on, when you open this Excel file, the password will be required. To remove the encryption from the workbook, follow the same steps as mentioned above. Click File, Info, Protect Workbook, and select Encrypt with Password. Delete the password from the password box, click OK. Then, save and close this workbook, the password will be removed. This time, when you open the workbook, password will not be required. Password protect an Excel file from modifying. Suppose you want others to access your Excel file but prevent modifications, even without knowing the password. In that case, you can set your Excel workbook to read only and protect it with a password. Click File, Save As, Browse. In the Save As window, give a name to this Excel file, and then click Tools, General Options. Type a password in the Password to Modify text box. Then, check Read Only Recommended option. Click OK. In the next dialog box, enter the password again. Click OK. Click Save to save this workbook. From now on, when you open this Excel file, you needn't type the password. Just click Read Only button to access the workbook. When you make some changes in this workbook, then save the workbook, a warning message box will appear, reminding to save the workbook with a new name, or in a different location. If you want to disable the Read Only Recommended option as well as the password, please do as this. Click File, Save As, Browse. In the Save As window, click Tools, General Options. Uncheck the Read Only Recommended option and click OK. Then, click Save button. The Excel file will be saved with a new name. When this newly named workbook is open next time, a password will not be required, and it will not open as read-only. If you want to set a password to protect multiple Excel files at once, this section will introduce two tricks for you. Password protect multiple Excel files with Kutools. Click Kutools Plus. Encrypt Workbooks. Encrypt Workbooks. Prompt box remind you to make sure the workbooks you want to protect are closed. Click OK. Click Add button, and then, select the Excel files or folder that you want to password protect. Now, all selected files are added and listed into the list box. Type a password into the Use the following password text box. Click OK. Go and click OK. A dialog box pops up to tell you how many workbooks are encrypted. Click OK. Another box pops up to ask for scenario saving. Click Yes or No as you need. Now, when you open any file in the folder, a password will be required. If you want to move the password from these Excel files, click Kutools Plus. Decrypt workbooks from the Encrypt Workbooks drop-down. In the prompt box, click OK. In the dialog box, click Add button, and then, select the files or folder contains the protected files you want to decrypt. Now, all the selected Excel files are listed into the list box. Type the password into the Use the following password text box. And then, click OK to decrypt the workbooks. In the following dialog box, click OK. Click Yes or No for saving the scenario. Now, when you open any file from the folder, password will not be required anymore. Password protect multiple Excel files with VBA code. Press Alt and F11 keys to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Then, click Insert, Module. Copy and paste the code from the article into the blank module. Then, press the Run button. Select a folder which contains the workbooks that you want to protect with a password, and then click OK. In the prompt box, enter a password for protecting workbooks. Then, click OK. All specified Excel files are protected with a password. Open one of the Excel files form the folder. A password will be required. To remove the password from these Excel files, you need to remove password one by one, or use the Decrypt Workbooks feature of Kutools for Excel. Thanks for watching.